Volcanoes are not just mountains that erupt, they are ancient gateways to a world we barely understand. For centuries, they've been feared for their fire. But what if the real danger has nothing to do with lava? What if something is alive inside them? Something that moves through the heat, hides in the smoke, and only comes out when the earth trembles. This is not just theory. This is a question science is still too afraid to answer. Let's light the first match. Most people believe nothing can survive lava-like heat. But then came a shock. In volcanic vents, scientists discovered tiny life forms called thermophiles. One species, Pyrolobus fumari, can survive temperatures hotter than 200 degrees Celsius. That's beyond what most life on Earth can even imagine. If life can survive in that kind of heat, what kind of creature might be lurking deeper? Now pause. Imagine something that doesn't just survive in heat, but thrives in it. Beneath the volcano's surface lies a forgotten maze lava tubes. These tunnels stretch for miles underground. They're lightless, silent, untouched. No one knows what's inside. Some tubes are wide enough to hide a house. Others go so deep they've never been mapped. Scientists believe similar lava tubes exist on Mars. So why not here? Why not Earth? Why not under our feet? Let this next question crawl under your skin. Local people living near active volcanoes have stories. Stories of glowing red eyes floating in the smoke, massive shadows sweeping across lava lakes, strange animal-like sounds coming from deep within the earth. These are not bedtime tales, these are reports. Some of them come from workers and explorers, people who do not scare easily. And yet, they leave early. Not because of lava, but because of something else. Take a breath. The next twist will burn. Could something big survive inside a volcano? Something ancient? Something that adapted to darkness, to gas, to heat, and to total silence? If tiny creatures can survive extreme temperatures, maybe something evolved much further. A heat-eating predator. A creature that doesn't need sunlight. A being that only rises when the mountain wakes. Now for the question science avoids. What if these creatures were here before us? Volcanoes have existed for over 4 billion years. If life had even a few million years to evolve down there, what would it become? No eyes, no sound, just instincts, muscle, and fire. Maybe eruptions are not just explosions, maybe they are reactions. Something moves deep within, and the earth responds. What truly lives inside a volcano may never be discovered. But if something is down there, it is patient, it is silent, and it has waited longer than we have been alive. Whatever the truth is, it's buried in fire, sealed in stone, and still watching from the dark.